everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we have some exciting things to unbox. The Laneige Australia team have kindly gifted us 2 sets of their holiday collection, and whilst they do not have a 2022 advent calendar this year, I am excited to peek into their holiday offering. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming advent calendar and holiday collection unboxings, and there is so many amazing ones to come. All right, so we have 2 Laneige gift sets and I am super excited because Laneige is actually a brand that I already love and use. Their Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic range is something I swear by and use in my skincare daily. And if you already watch my previous advent calendar unboxings, you will know that I am obsessed with their lip sleeping mask and have quite the collection now. If you aren't familiar with Laneige as a brand, they are actually a South Korean skincare brand that has been around since 1994. The name Laneige itself means the snow in French. They are hugely popular globally, not just in South Korea, and are known for their Waterbank line, sleeping mask, lip mask, as well as their BB cushion foundation and two-tone lipstick. They've also had some amazing ambassadors such as Song Hye Kyo, and their current ambassadors are 2 actresses, Kim Yoo Jong and Lee Song Hyun. They also have Sydney Sweeney as their US ambassador. Now that we've learned more about the brand, let's check out what's in the boxes. Our first box is the Laneige Hydrate and Snooze Christmas Limited Edition set. This has 3 products and retails at Sephora for 40 Australian dollars. The first one is the Waterbank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. This one is 20 mils and the packaging is stunning and aesthetic. I actually already have the gel version of this and I absolutely love it. I swear by this product, this is life-changing for me. And the only difference between the 2 is that the cream is supposed to be for normal to dry skin and the gel is supposed to be for normal to oily skin. Now they are different textures, so it honestly comes down to preference. I prefer the gel texture, that's why I got this one in the past, but I will be willing to try this one once I finish the gel. I normally use this both morning and night. The second product is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I actually also already use this one. The one that I have is the lavender scented one. So both the same, but this one is the original unscented. And I use this one about once a week and I leave it overnight just when my skin needs a little bit of love and hydration. This one is the original and the scent is quite refreshing. I really like it. This is 25 mils. It's a super lightweight gel mask and absorbs quite quickly. So I like to use mine fully overnight to feel the full effect of the hydration. And this is also paraben free and perfect for all skin types. You can definitely feel the difference in your skin in the morning when you wake up. It feels more smooth, hydrated, and less dull. And this is the perfect size for traveling. The last product in this set is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and it's in the flavor Berry, which I don't have yet. I currently only have the chocolate, peppermint, the original, and my favorite, the gummy bears. I like that this is a mini, it's a different flavor, and I can carry it around in my purse if I'm traveling and it's not too heavy. This one is 3 grams and you use it overnight, similar to the sleeping mask. So the second box, we have the Sweet Dream Trio Christmas Limited Edition set. This one also has 3 products and this is all lip sleeping masks. This is retailing at Sephora for 47 Australian dollars. The first product is the full-size Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It's 20 grams and this is in the berry flavor. Now I don't have this flavor, so this is going straight to the collection. The berry scent is really light. I'm still missing vanilla, mango, and sweet candy in my collection, but periodically they do release limited edition scents like this one here, which is pumpkin spice. This one is a mini, it's 8 grams, although I wish it came in the full size because it would be perfect to add this to my collection. Okay, the pumpkin spice one smells amazing, you guys. It really transports you to fall vibes. If they make this one in a 20 gram, I'm definitely immediately buying this. The last item is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in the peppermint flavor. This one is also mini at 8 grams. I actually have the full size here. I really love it. It's a very distinctive smell. It reminds me of Christmas, very festive, but it's also very light. So these are the 2022 Laneige holiday gift sets. What did we think of these two? Let me know in the comments below. Personally for me, I really love Laneige and how it makes my skin feel after using their products. So these two sets for me were really cute and I really loved them. Especially also because the products that were in here were products I already loved and used. And the sizing is so cute for traveling. So loving both of these sets from Laneige. Thank you so much the Laneige Australia team for sending these through for us to unbox. There are actually 4 different holiday collection sets from Laneige, which are currently sold on the Laneige website as well as in Sephora stores and online. So the 4 sets range from 29 Australian dollars to 47 Australian dollars, which is quite affordable. And I know people love these sets because they like separating out the items for stocking fillers, which is quite nifty. If you love these holiday sets and these products are for you, I will leave a link below on where you can get it. As always, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!